Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up your debtor type and group settings. The purpose of debtor type or group settings is so that the user can set up their own debtor types or groups, example, normal private or medical aid debtors, injury on duty debtors, or insurance debtors. To access the settings from the diary screen, click on the Settings button in the top right corner. On the Settings screen, click on the Entity Settings tab. Take note that entity settings are set per entity to customize the program to the specific needs of the practice. Scroll down and click on the Debtor Type or Group Settings panel to expand it. Here you will see debtor types or groups already set up. To add a new debtor type or group, click on the Add New Debtor Type button. An example of a debtor type or group can be an insurance debtor. This is specifically for patients going to a practice to have a medical assessment done for insurance purposes, or an injury on duty debtor type. From the type drop-down, either choose a normal debtor or an injury on duty debtor. The type also determines the fields that will be available in the debtor and booking screen. In the description field, type the description of the debtor type. For example, new normal debtor or new private debtor or insurance debtor. It is important to indicate the type and description of the debtor so that it is clearly visible when doing a claim. For the normal private debtor, the description can be private or private debtor, anything that indicates that this is a private debtor type. To select the medical aid options that should be linked to the debtor type or group, click on the Add New Line button. Only the medical aid schemes and medical aid options added per type will be available to choose from when creating a new debtor. The medical aid scheme is the scheme either medical aid or private. As soon as you start typing, the system will expand a drop-down with the search results from the scheme that you entered. The medical aid option is the plan of the medical aid scheme you selected. As soon as you start typing, the system will expand a drop-down with the search results from the option that you entered. The description is the combination of the medical aid scheme and medical aid option you selected. You can add another line, if applicable, to the debtor type or group by clicking on the Add New Line button. To delete a line, click on the red dustbin button next to the applicable line. To delete a debtor type or group, click on the red dustbin next to the applicable debtor type or group. Click on the Close button to exit the settings screen without saving. Click on the Save button to save the new settings.